in 1 minute, that is minute hand will cover 360 degree by 60 equal to 6 degree. Okay. And always remember, when minute hand and hour hand, they are coincide to each other, so they always produce angle of 0 degree. Okay, যখনই ওরা একে অপরের কোইনসাইড হবে, মানে একটার উপরটা একটা অপরের উপরে থাকবে, তখন সেক্ষেত্রে ওদের মাঝখানে যে অ্যাঙ্গেলটা হবে সেই অ্যাঙ্গেলটা হবে 0 ডিগ্রি। Clear? So there must be the 3 rules is there, and these rules are always important. That is, in 1 hour, our hand will cover 360 degree by 12, 30 degree. In 1 minute, minute hand will cover 360 by 60 equal to 6 degree. And for the minute hand and hour hand coincide at about 0 degree angle. Okay, next. Four,